Hey guys, it's day 39 and it is like 10 o'clock at night, almost 10 o'clock, and so I'm sliding in here at the last part of the day. And so let's see what we get. If we get an easy one, that's great. Create washi tape with double-sided tape. Okay, that's easy, so we're gonna stick with this one. Let me get my stuff and we'll get started. I've pulled out two sizes of double-sided tape. This is score tape and this is scrappy tape. I use both. I like both just fine. The reason I have two different ones is because I started off using score tape, and at some point when I needed to reorder, I found scrappy tape and it was a little bit less expensive, plus I got a little bit more on the roll. I don't know if that's still the case, but you know, these are the two brands you could check out. This one is 1/2 inch size and this one 1.5 inches. I pulled out some Painty papers. I'm not going to use scrapbook paper. This is one of our starter index cards that I keep over there, so we may use that. These two pieces came out of my scrap Painty box. This is an index card portion that's left over, and this is just a piece of paper. I just like that right there. This is some deli paper that was printed on, excess paint, and getting the jelly plate clean. Here's another one. Here's another one. And I kind of liked the border on this. So we're just going to make some quick washi tape, and all I'm going to do is decide which areas I want to create washi tape from, and then I'm going to take my double-sided tape and lay it out over that area and then cut it out, and I'm basically done. Hey! So I'm going to do a little voiceover here. You can see that I'm putting down the tape on the back of my piece of paper and I'm cutting it out. That is all I did for this washi tape. I didn't get fancy and do a lot of cutting and different decorative designs. Here I'm showing you that I did decide to go ahead and use scrapbook paper to make some washi tape. And then very soon after this, I'm going to be showing you right here, in fact, the different washi tapes that we made with scrapbook paper and Painty paper. The reason that I didn't show you much of the process is because it's such a repetitive thing and I had so little time that all I did was put down tape, cut it out, put down tape, cut it out over and over and over. And I tried to edit the video in such a way that you could see portions of me doing that, but then as I was editing it, I kept thinking, I just can't put this video up like this. All it is just showing you a little bit of tape, a little bit of cutting, and it just, I don't know, I just felt like that this video needed to be done this way. And I didn't want to not put a video up because I didn't want to skip a number in the sequence of the 100 days in the videos that I have on the playlist. So this was what I decided to do. And while I have you here, since I am kind of quote unquote live at the moment, since I'm doing a voiceover and this video will be the next one going up, I just wanted to let you guys know that I am on track for the 100 days and I have been posting the photos on Instagram. But I'm really behind on the videos. As you can see, this is video 39, I think. And once I get my honey upstairs, I'll be working on day 86. So that's how far ahead we are in the 100 days and how far behind I am in editing. But I wanted to tell you guys, thank you so much for being here. I appreciate all the comments that you've been leaving on the project that I've been doing, and I appreciate that you have been sticking it out with me. So I will see you again soon, and I will talk to you later. Bye-bye.